Alright, my people, YouTube fam, back with another one, man. Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate all my subs, people stopping by. Hopefully y'all, rocking with the channel. But got a load today. We're going back to the direct shipper. As we all know, I had a video. I ain't even drop it because I was like, this shit doesn't even make no sense. But I had a load there on Monday. First time it canceled, but they gonna give me $150. I still ain't even get my money for that. So I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get that. The last load I didn't grab the check, and this one. So about to head over there now. As I always tell y'all, 13-minute run over there to the shipper. And this one we got, it's just one 13-foot pallet going down to Naples, West Coast. So we about to get over there. Hopefully it's a smooth run. I already know the delivery process over there is quick, so that's a good thing. And, like I always say, I'll try to see if I can find something else on the load board, but you know how that shit goes. So I'll tap in when I get over here to the shipper. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, please, for your boy. Keep the content coming. And stay safe out there on the road, man. Alright, y'all, we in here. Pretty obviously you can't tell, but backing up to the dock. This place here is like a little hole you gotta back down in. It's a little different than other places, but one thing about the trucking game, this shit gonna make you a professional backer, because obviously driving forward and turning, but your main job is gonna be backing up. So if you ain't good at backing, how Kevin Hart said, you gonna learn today. But we out here about to get loaded up. Alright, y'all, everything good to go. BOL, 150 miles. 150 miles. So we got some time to kill, about to get over there. We're gonna see what's going on. And I'm gonna keep my eye on the load board. Y'all know how that shit go, but we keep an eye on it, and if anything pop up while we on that side, y'all know we gotta get it in a minute. Alright, y'all, we pulling up here at the location. My dumb ass drove by the building like I ain't never been there before, so I had to go bust the U and pull back around, but I'm about to pull up right here. One skid, but this is the spot here where I was cracking a joke last time I came. I'm like, man, y'all got to get a damn forklift, because these people unload the pallets by hand. I know y'all done seen it before. I don't know how the hell they do that. Well, obviously I know how they do it, but goddamn, I just got to get out of here. Go double check back here to make sure it's bring my phone with me. Make sure that it's clear, show y'all what it's looking like. Got my truck right there. And I just gotta come down here. See, they got a truck there. Had I to just back my shit down there, I'd have had Buddy stuck in there. Alright, y'all, we out here getting offloaded. Yes, sir.
Where is that?